much if I was just a little smarter. I keep that remote in a pouch if you got an inclination to ask. It's either lost between the cushions or somewhere in the crack of my ass. Time is taking its toll. I gotta find that remote control. I guess I just gotta admit I'm starting to feel really old. Where's the remote control? So please be kind and give me a chance to rewind. I keep holding on to memories of love when we were young and ten. We never even noticed when that geriatric clock began. We were never shy or bashful. We shot our own pornography. Now it looks so goddamn awful, like a blind dance of choreography. I ain't so limber, always fucking sore in this position. How the hell am I supposed to hit record? Time is taking its toll. I gotta find that remote control. I guess I just gotta admit I'm starting to feel really old. It ain't the real mystery, but my baby album's now ancient history. Aging got my kidneys, stealing my soul, and I still can't find that damn remote control. A life of leisure and ease that old grip can finally cease. Let them replace the remote control. 'Cause you got everything on your phone, calculator, notepads, even tiny porn. But you never felt more lost and alone. Yeah, time is taking its toll. I gotta find that remote control. I guess I just got